Welcome watching the Minecraft ship conversion video. Today is going to be 1930s Olympic. So we are going to change the Olympic into her 1930s version. So the first thing we're going to do, and the first thing you're going to do, you're going to change the rimming back to brown. So the rimming of the lifeboat's back to brown. So that's the first thing you're going to do. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our stone brick. We're going to change this back to gray. So change the roof of the bridge back to gray. So that is another thing we need to do. So alright, so I'm just gonna do this just as quick as I can. Alright, and then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this part of the we're gonna extend the bridge outwards to be connected with this area. So we're just going to we're just gonna put it like this, and then hang on, sister. Actually, we're gonna close this entire bridge. I had to look back. So I had to kind of memorize. How to memorize what to do. So basically, we're gonna put a door here, and then we're gonna put two here, and we're gonna put two doors here. So this is gonna be looking like that. So that's what it's gonna look like. So a door here, and then two blocks, and then two doors here. So, and then what we're gonna do is, I think it was just a straight wall back, but I could be wrong. You guys can fact check me on this, but just go ahead, make it a straight wall like so. So that is the bridge now enclosed. And yeah, so what we're gonna do now is get our stairs, and then basically we're just gonna add this little thing here. So I don't know what it's for, but it was to hang on. We're gonna put it on the bottom. We're gonna put it on the bottom here. So we're gonna put it here. So yeah, we're just gonna put it on the back, well, on the bottom of these blocks here, and it should look pretty good. Yeah, so there we go. So that's another change done. Another change is gonna be to the promenade here. So we're gonna shorten out this promenade again. So originally on the Titanic tutorial, I had 5 posts, 5 or 3, I don't know. It was reduced down to 6 posts. So we're just gonna take this out. Actually, yeah, we're just gonna put this here and then put this here, and then we're just gonna shorten it down. So we're shortening it. It was shortened down. I'm just gonna randomly span some windows. I'm just gonna randomly spam windows just to give it some depth. But I will do a window tutorial for the Titanic. But yeah, I still haven't got the windows done on this one. So there we go. We're just gonna put our stair there, and that is. So yeah, we shortened it down. We should do the same thing on the other side, which I already did. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to here. We are going to remove the staircase, and then we're going to replace it with a walkway. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then along with the shear line, it's going 1, 2, 3. So it's going to move along with the shear. And then what we're going to do is we are going to, I don't know if I remove it or, oh yeah, you're going to get your payload trapdoors, and you're just going to stack it on top. So you're going to stack it on top. And then just do the same thing on the other side. Like so. And then we're going to get our fence gates. And then we're just going to kind of along the edge here, just do this. So I'm gonna do a jump cut as I do this, and I'll just be back in just a second. So, yeah. Okay, so you're gonna keep it out of the way of the staircase, because if you there's both the staircase here. Like if you want to access the deck, you just want to keep it like this. So you want to keep it out of the way of the staircase. Also, just take this out in this, just like this. So it should look something like this. This walkway here was already there after the First World War, so they just kept it there. So, I think the next change was over here. So we're gonna remove all these vents here on the docking bridge. We're gonna remove all these vents. And yeah, we're gonna remove these vents, and then we're gonna replace it with we're gonna just do one big boxy structure. So I'm gonna oh my god. So I'll just do this and I'll be back in just a second. Well I will talk in just a second, so okay, so yeah. So alright, basically what we're gonna do, keep the basic structure here. Alright, and then we're just gonna go 2, 2, and then we're gonna it's basically the same. It's basically the same kind of structure, but it was just enclosed. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. All right. So there's also a door here, so we're just gonna place that there. Like this. Like so, and there's also a door here, so. We could also just place windows here if you want, but yeah, that's just that structure there. And the next thing we're gonna do is go over here. We're gonna add the Monkey's Island, and then we're just gonna and it's just kind of a little structure here. And then what we're going to do is replace this. It's the final change we're going to do.
Okay, do you know he's not here?
We're going to do the final change, and it's turning this into we're basically going to change this into stairs. So these ladders into stairs. So that's basically the last change we're going to do. And that is going to be the end of the tutorial. So well, actually, no, it's not, because we still gotta do more lifeboats. But I'll just do that on my spare time. So just basically for the lifeboats, change the rooming back to brown, and then take out that barrier there, that bulwark, and then just put about 4 or 5 more lifeboats in there, and you'll be all set. So that is all the changes I can note for the 1930s Olympic. Also move the yellow line down just by 1. So that is the 1930s Olympic. No. Hang on. Oh, I had this at Titanic. Yeah. I had this at Titanic. Just, yeah, basically just go ahead and... Yeah, so this was... Yeah, this wasn't, yeah, so basically... Yeah, I'll just take this out, and, we'll just call it Olympic. So this is going to be Olympic. And yeah, I'll be back in. Yeah, so this is the end of the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in just another video for like probably Kaiser Wilhelm de Grosse. So, yeah, bye for now.